The SIXTOP Motorcycle CarPlay Screen offers seamless wireless connectivity with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it a versatile choice for riders. Equipped with dual Bluetooth connectivity, it allows you to connect to both a mobile device and a Bluetooth headset, enhancing your listening and communication experience on the road. Its 6-inch touchscreen, boasting a resolution of 1440 by 720, ensures clear visuals and responsive touch even in challenging weather conditions due to its IP68 waterproof rating. The MirrorLink feature provides the convenience of syncing your phone's video, music, and maps directly to the screen, enhancing your ride with entertainment and easy navigation. Designed to be widely compatible with most motorcycles, the SIXTOP Motorcycle CarPlay Screen is straightforward to install with the included bracket kit and tools. Backed by reliable customer service, you can take advantage of a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month replacement service for a worry-free purchase.